Diversity and inclusion is more than our race, our ethnicity, our gender. It is our socioeconomic background, where we went to school, how we grew up, our religious beliefs and value systems. We bring all those wonderful complexities into the workplace every day. And that's when diversity of thought gets to real innovation. Zoom fatigue is a real reality. Women are leaving the marketplace, and underrepresented minorities in the US are being affected worse by all of the everything that we have happening here in our society. Internal to the workplace, you have to understand what's important to our employees to make sure that the programs and initiatives that we put in place are aligning to what our employees want. It's easy to do things to people, but it's better to do things with people so that we're making informed decisions that help to move the needle and then there is progress. Diversity is inviting someone to the party, but inclusion is asking that person you invited to actually dance. So again, do it with the understanding, do it with the engagement of everyone within the organization, and that's how you can get to real sustainable initiatives in diversity and inclusion.